What you doing? Should we tell the YouTubers why? I don't know. I feel like shit. You can see the trees moving. Well, let's head outside and I'll show you why. Well, first of all, it's really freaking cold out here. You can hear it's windy. It's sunny though, at least. Look at the grass. It's all getting green. Look at that. Crazy. Oh my god. Here's the temperature. So that's why I'm kind of like hanging around indoors. My stomach doesn't feel good. That's the temperature. So what I'm going to do is I need to edit this video. Oh, well, I thought I was using this camera. Not today. Not today. I'm using mini DV that use Firewire. So this computer has not been turned on since 2 years. Windows XP Professional. Let's see what it does here. System fan arrow come up. And yes, I still will use Windows XP, everybody. Why? Well, works better. Do I use it on the internet? No. Look at that, it's already booted. A lot faster than Windows 10, that's for sure. Searching for drivers. Yeah, see, that's been turned on for a long time. That's only got like 512 of RAM versus whatever the other ones are over there. Crazy. Yeah, it's already booted. Oh my god. New stuff sucks. It does. There's my camera. So I'm gonna like test this video that I put up, and I want you guys to tell me, what do you think? Do you like this camera better, or do you like this one better? Let me know, because I'm just doing a test video today. I'm bored. Alright guys, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. Oh, and by the way, I do not respond to people that want me to email them on their Gmail accounts. Sorry, I don't do that. Don't trust people.